Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get this blood mutated brain rots in the Escape Tsunami for Brainrots Roblox. So this is officially the most, I say, aggressive mutation in Escape Tsunami, and I'm going to show you how you can find it. Now let's just get started. So for the blood mutation, you can just find the brain rots with a red color. Actually, it's pretty easy to spot. So you can get it in the common, uncommon, legendary, or even the secret tier brain rots. You can just find the one with red color. I think I spot one before. Now it's gone. Let's see if we get another. Okay, so this is the one with blood mutation look like. It says blood. You can just take it and you'll get the blood mutated brain rots in the game. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.